What's up, flippers? This is a what's up, flippers? This is gonna be a quick little new trick video. I'm learning the shortstop still here, and almost got it. Sorry, that was a little bit not in frame. So yeah, I got the main core concept down. I just need a little more help getting it smoothed out a little bit more. Yeah, if you guys have any tips or any video recommendations to help me out here, I'd greatly appreciate it. I just need to get the momentum down, like, ooh. Yeah, I hate flipping in my chair because those things hurt when those things hurt Balisongs when you drop them on there. So I usually have like a extra blanket or a towel to throw on there, but living a little dangerously today. So yeah, I'm almost there. This NRB Vortex is like the perfect trainer to train to practice this trick on, because before I had this, I've kind of practiced it on other Balisongs, but it always just feels a little like off. There we go. That was kind of good. Ooh, okay. Missed it. Alright, I'm going to give it one more good try here. Let's see if I can get it somewhat smooth. And, no. So yeah, if you got any tips for comboing that together, because I'm so close. I just like need to take that half a second to get my grip before I go on. Oh god, okay. Alright, seriously, one last time. Alright, that's about as good as it's gonna get. One more. Okay, come on. One more good one. Dang it, dude. Don't want to drop this again, but I do want to get one more good one. Alright, that's as good as it's gonna get. That wasn't in frame. Dang it. Alright, I'm gonna drop this. Yep, there it goes. Okay, that's it for this one. If you have any, sorry about the stupid fire alarm. We're getting that fixed soon, hopefully. Just been putting it off and been lazy, but, yeah, if you guys have... Dang it, dude. I suck at this trick, man. I don't know why. So yeah, this is what learning a new Balisong trick looks like, by the way. If you didn't know. Just repetitive over and over. Trying it again and again. Dropping it over and over. Ugh. Okay. Seriously, that's the end of the video before I damage this beautiful Vortex anymore. Yeah, let me know suggestions, videos, tips, all that. Give me tips for new tricks to learn too. As I'm sure you could tell if you've seen a couple of my videos by now, I don't have a super wide variety of tricks under my belt. No taps still, as to be expected with NRB Balisongs. Very good quality, very good tolerances. hand fit bushings. Amazing quality for the price. Give them a follow on Instagram if you don't already. But yeah, that's it for this one. Let me know what tricks I should learn, tips for the shortstop, all that. Alright, flippers, you have a good one. I will see you in the next video. See ya.